Welcome to 5 Minute English Talk, your daily podcast for real life English that's simple, practical, and confident. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Jane. Thanks for tuning in and helping our show grow. We really appreciate your support. Let's dive into today's episode.
Today, we're going to look at 3 powerful words that make your English sound polite, respectful, and natural. Please, could, and would.
Now, these words are small, but they make a big difference. In English, being polite isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. Adding please, could, and would softens your tone and makes conversations smoother.
Exactly. Think about the difference. Give me some water. Could you give me some water, please? See how the second one sounds friendlier? Same meaning, but much more polite. Let's start with please. It's the easiest way to make a request sound polite. Can you open the window, please? Please call me when you arrive. Could you help me with this, please?
Next is could. This is softer than can and shows respect. Could you pass me the salt? Could you explain that again? Could you tell me how to get to the station? And finally, would. This is often used for polite offers or invitations.
Would you like some coffee? Would you mind helping me with this report? I would love to join you for lunch.
All right, let's practice together. Repeat after us. Could you help me, please? Would you like to join us? Please let me know if you need anything. Here's something interesting. Research shows that polite language, like using please, could, and would, actually makes people more likely to say yes to your requests. It's not just about sounding nice, it's about building trust.
Don't worry if your grammar isn't perfect. Even a simple sentence like, could you help me please, makes you sound confident, polite, and professional. Politeness goes a long way, especially when speaking in a second language. Let's try a quick example between us.
Bruce, could you explain this report to me, please?
Of course, Jane. Would you like me to go over it now?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
No problem. Please take a seat and let's look at it together.
Here's another one.
Jane, would you like some coffee?
That would be wonderful.
Great. Could you also remind me about the meeting later?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Would you like me to send you a message?
Yes, please. That would help a lot. See how simple and natural it sounds?
Okay, now it's your turn. Here's today's speaking challenge. Make a request using please. Ask a polite question using could. Offer something or invite someone using would.
Say them out loud right now. For example, please close the door. Could you tell me the time? Would you like to come with me? That's it for today's episode of 5 Minute English Talk. If you're learning from this show, I really encourage you to check out our previous episodes. We've covered so many interesting day-to-day conversation topics, from ordering food at a restaurant, to talking about weekend plans, to asking someone where they're from, all designed to help you speak English in a clear, natural way.
So go back, listen, and keep building your confidence one short lesson at a time.
We'll be back tomorrow with another practical English topic you can start using right away.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking.